So today we're diving into an important topic, keeping your Android device safe from security threats. While Android has definitely improved its security game, it's still vulnerable, especially when you're downloading apps from outside the Play Store. So I'm here to show you how to set up your phone for better protection. If you are new to the channel, now's the perfect chance. Hit that subscribe button for awesome tips and tricks about Android and the latest in tech. You'll want to stay in the loop. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Alright, let's get started. First up, we need to open the settings. Head to Security and Privacy. This is where the magic happens for keeping your apps secure. You'll find an option called App Security that we should definitely explore. Once you're in App Security, you'll see features that allow you to regularly scan your installed apps for any malware or suspicious activity. If anything looks fishy, you'll get a notification, which is super handy. We have two main tools here, App Protection and Google Play Protect. Let's start with App Protection. First, click on Scan Phone. This feature is powered by McAfee and is designed to help keep your device secure by searching for any malware or suspicious activity. You might even see some special offers for Samsung users, but I'll get back to that in a moment. Now, while the scan runs, it will check all the apps on your device, including any third-party apps. Since I have a ton of apps installed, I like to run this scan every so often just to make sure everything's in the clear. I just finished scanning, and it's great news, no threats found. Next, let's take a look at the app protection settings. Hit that three-dot menu and you'll see some important toggles. Make sure to turn them all on. The first option gives you extra protection against viruses and spyware. Then there's an option for daily scans and one for automatic scans when you install new apps. If you're concerned about battery drain, you can disable the daily scans and just do manual checks when you remember. However, if you tend to forget, I recommend keeping that option on. Just remember, these daily scans will only run while your phone is charging and the screen is off, so it shouldn't impact your daily use too much. Now, let's talk about those McAfee offers. I want to clarify that I'm not pushing this service. Most of the time, the built-in security is sufficient. But if you're looking for that extra peace of mind, McAfee offers a subscription for about $6 for the first year here in India. Just keep in mind you'll need to renew it after that. Moving on to Google Play Protect. When I tap on that, it shows that no harmful apps have been found, which is a big relief. This is another layer of security to help keep your device safe. It's always a good idea to run scans with both McAfee and Google for comprehensive protection. To run a scan, just click Scan, and it will check all your apps. I've got tons of apps on my phone, and they've all been scanned already with no harmful apps detected. In the settings for Play Protect, you'll find a couple of useful options. One allows for scanning apps, and the other lets you send unknown apps to Google for better detection. This helps improve the overall security for everyone, so it's a win-win. So, those are some key security features to keep your apps safe. Make sure you enable these options and give your phone a scan every now and then to stay ahead of any threats. That's it for today. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to stay safe out there. Catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.